Call of Duty Black Ops 6 Liberty Falls Easter Egg Quest Guide. In Call of Duty Black Ops 6, the Liberty Falls quest challenges players to face a zombie outbreak in the small western town of Liberty Falls. The mission is to contain the undead threat and locate missing scientists to save the town. Follow these steps to fully unlock the Liberty Falls Easter egg and claim exclusive rewards. Here's how to get started. Play solo or in squads to enjoy the quest alone or with friends. Fully unlock the map. Reach the Pack-a-Punch and craft the Jetgun Wonder Weapon. Access the church interior and interact with machines to start the storyline. Interact again to begin building the Wonder Weapon. The LTG parts are essential for completing the Easter egg. To gather them, use the jet gun to collect floating parts from the church balcony, Ollie's comic shop ceiling, and the bank rooftop. Access the barbershop rooftop via a truck or reach the bank rooftop using a zip line or a sender. Use a crafting bench to assemble the LTG device, crucial for later stages of the quest. Upon reaching the gas station or cemetery, place the LTG device under the purple storm to spawn zombies for 60 seconds while protecting it from damage. Once the device turns red, a portal will open, summoning a high-value target. Collect an ether canister from the church and place it in the storm area to trap HVT essence. Then use the LTG device to capture it and return to the church. Using the straws counter, link 3 old-school film projectors along Liberty Falls. Locations include Churchill, behind the White House on Church Street, and the lower ledge on the bank's rooftop. After syncing, repeat the essence collection for a second Aether canister. Prepare for the final showdown with level 2 armor, tier 2 pack-a-punched weapons, and perks like Juggernaut. Inside the church, players must defeat 3 waves of zombies, including elite bosses, to complete the quest and earn exclusive rewards.